My name is Sahana. I have completed my computer science engineering from Bahadduri Institute of Technology of 21 pass out. I am a 21 pass out student. And before coming to the Qspider, I was not knowing about the Qspider, where my friend referred me to come to the Qspider, where I will be getting the technical knowledge, and also I am a computer science background, so I will be having only the technical knowledge of that. But now coming to the Qspider, I got to know how the testing course happens, and also I am happy to get placed in a company called INFOR, where there were 5 rounds, and first round was the active round, and next 3 rounds were of the technical round, and last was the HR round. I would like to thank all the faculties who have taught me manual testing by Umashankar sir, and also SPL by Pawan sir, and Chidambaram sir and Manjunath sir for teaching me Java. And also I would like to thank the Jeevan sir and the Mamta ma'am for taking me the grooming sections for the interview, which helped me a lot to get placed. And also please attend the presentation, because presentation is important for the communication. And also thank you once again. And HRs also helped me a lot to get placed, because Nandita ma'am, Akshay sir, and all those helped me to get placed, because they added me for the 5 requirements, where 3 were scheduled, and this was my first offline interview where I attended. Thank you everyone, and please do join the Qspider.